Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Today we are going to read another set of sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. My mother is kind. Again, my mother is kind. Your turn to read, children. My father is strong. Again, my father is strong. Your turn to read, children. My brother is tall. Again, my brother is tall. Your turn to read, children. My sister is pretty. Again, my sister is pretty. Your turn to read, children. My pet cat is fat. Again, my pet cat is fat. Your turn to read, children. My pet dog is big and brown. Again, my pet dog is big and brown. Your turn to read, children. My dress is colorful. Again, my dress is colorful. Your turn to read, children. My bag is big and red. Again, my bag is big and red. Your turn to read, children. My favorite color is blue. Again, my favorite color is blue. Your turn to read, children. My favorite toy is a doll. Again, my favorite toy is a doll. Your turn to read, children. My favorite food is fried chicken. Again, my favorite food is fried chicken. Your turn to read, children. My favorite subject is history. Again, my favorite subject is history. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. My mother is kind. My father is strong. My brother is tall. My sister is pretty. My pet cat is fat. My pet dog is big and brown. My dress is colorful. My bag is big and red. My favorite color is blue. My favorite toy is a doll. My favorite food is fried chicken. My favorite subject is history. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.